Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Noise Shorts Groove. So these are the truly wireless earbuds from Noise and they're priced at 3000 rupees. So there are quite a lot of options from the same brand offering different features in the same TWS category. And there's also the Noise Shorts Nuvo, which is priced exactly the same, but the Groove is going to be known for its lightweight and also the full touch controls and IPX5 rating for the sweat proofing. So some of the major specs that are mentioned here include the Bluetooth version 5.0 with the range of 10 meters and the supported profiles or the codecs, and the earbud charging time of 1.5 hours and the playback time of 5 hours, and the case itself is going to give you an additional 10 hours of music playing. There's also the voice assistant support with the Siri and Google Assistant both supported here. And the MRP that is given here is 4999, but the actual price is 2999, at which this is currently available. And apart from that, there are a few features mentioned here as well. The extra bass, 15 hours of total playtime. This is including the earbuds 5 hours and 10 hours of the case. Full touch controls, IPX5 water and sweat resistance, and the Type-C charging. So this is the box package. Let's open this up and show you what all comes inside the box package. So there's an entire message from Rohit Sharma, the cricketer, about the welcoming to the Noise family basically. Then you have a quick pairing guide to let you know how to set this up and how to pair these with your smartphone. And there's also the easy reset guide. In case you want to reset these, you can do that as well. We'll be doing a separate tips and tricks video probably in our Hindi channel in case you're interested to know how to actually use this well. Now apart from that, this is the actual thing here. So this is a rubberized finish for the case, which is actually quite a good thing, because in a way the good part is you don't see any scratches and you won't see any smudges, no fingerprints. Most of the cases that come with a glossy finish have those issues. So this one, a rubberized one, is actually giving also a premium feel while you hold this one. And there's this metallic kind of finish for the center midline where there are indicators for the battery percentage. And that's an approximate percentage like 100, 75, 50 and 25, and the USB Type-C port for this charging. And now to lift this up, this is the area where you lift it up, and this is the internal of the case where you have those pogo pins for charging with the left and right indicators. Now in the case you don't find it, so the earbuds are separately given here, so you need to push them from the bottom, and these are the earbuds. So they are the in-ear options for the ear tips, and you need to remove these stickers before you put them for charge. So obviously that's how it works. This is the left earbud, which actually seems not so heavy. It's 4.4 grams weight for each ear tip or the earbud, and the case. So here's how the indicator is. You see the option here, and that is again with this touch interface. So this entire area is the touch area, and the earbuds would respond to those touch actions or the touch gestures. And you have the touch controls with the Siri and Google Assistant support as well. And apart from this, what you find in the box are the booklets, I guess. So apart from the quick connection guide, you also have this user manual to let you know about everything that the earbuds include. And the weight of the case is 46 grams and it's 4.5 grams for the individual earbud, and there are ear tips as well that are given inside the box package itself. So this is where you would find the ear tips as well. So 4 individual ear tips, like 2 pairs for different sizes. One is given by default, and small, medium, large are the 3 options that would be given. You also have the USB Type-C cable inside the box package itself. So this box actually includes everything that you need. You don't have to separately look for the USB Type-C cable. Most of the brands, they don't offer these cables, but at least that is given here. That's one good thing. Now this is the case and the earbuds. So let's find the left one. So this is the left one that's put for charge, and this is the right one that is now set for charge. So these are the earbuds inside the case, and there's the indicator that is present always, but I don't see a button here. So obviously whenever you remove this, they would be, I guess, ready for pairing. Yeah, that's where the indicator is. Now let's try to pair this with a smartphone and see if it actually works easily and it does it pair easily. So when you have the earbuds outside the case, you have the option of pairing them, and this would be under the available devices in your smartphone. pair with the Shorts Groove, yes, pair. And now let's see what are the options given here. Current device supports AAC codec, however AAC may fail to play sound due to compatibility issues. So this is not an issue with the earbuds, but it's actually with the smartphone. It doesn't have the AAC support properly given, though you can separately enable it, but most of the smartphones that have AAC will easily have this enabled. Otherwise, if this is turned off for a stabler connection and a stabler music output, it would be on SBC that is mentioned here. So you can see that it's going to be SBC and not AAC by default. And the battery percentage is given as well, and there is the option for the phone calls, media audio and contact sharing under the pairing options. So once you're ready with that, let's see if the touch controls work well here. There's a video playing in the background. So double tap would actually pause the music. As you can see here, double tap would again play the music or a video if you're playing that. So let's take it closer there. Now double tap would do this play and pause of the content that is being played. If you do a triple tap here, it will take you to the next track. So that is how it works. So as you can see, there's Google Assistant supported as well, and we will be doing a separate tips and tricks video of the entire thing to let you know how the buttons work and how you're going to get the easy user interface, or how to actually use the noise Shorts Groove. These actually seem quite decent and they are not heavy, they are quite lightweight and they seem pretty comfortable. Because of this shape, it would easily sit in the ears. But anyway, we'll be doing a full review of this one later. This was only the quick unboxing and a first impression video, because in a way, if you see the market right now, there are quite a lot of options under 5,000 rupees, but 3,000 is a price point where not many options are present, and even if they are, they don't support a lot of codecs, and there's also battery life issues with them. But this one promising a 5 hour of battery life with the earbuds and 10 hours of additional with the case. It's interesting to see, and even the case design seems to be quite good with this rubber finish. So that's it in this video. It was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Noise Shorts Groove. I'll be doing a quick review later, and that should come up in a few days. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, to share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.